Tired of Facebook missing those crucial conversions and leaving your ad spend in the dark? It's a widespread issue for many businesses today. Let's dive into integrating Facebook's Conversions API, or CAPI, directly into your WordPress site through Google Tag Manager, a game changer, and the end of all of your conversion tracking woes. First, head over to your Google Tag Manager account if you don't have one. Create an account and a container for your WordPress site, then navigate to the Tags tab. Click New to create a new tag. We'll be configuring the Facebook Capi integration. This will be your first step of the CAPI configuration. In tag configuration, choose Facebook Conversions API as your tag type. You won't find it by default, but there is a template gallery in the community. Find and install the correct template. Now, you'll need your Facebook Pixel ID and your Pixel Access Token. These are found in your Facebook Business Manager. In the Settings menu, copy and paste them into the respective fields in GTM. Next, configure the events that you want to send to Facebook, such as page view, purchase, add to cart. Customize the event parameters. Choose variables and use the data layer variables. Now, set up your triggers. This determines when the tag fires. For instance, you might trigger a page view event on all pages or a purchase event when a purchase is confirmed on your WordPress site, the goal being to track all the correct actions. Make sure you're using a good WordPress plugin to create a data layer. Plugins such as GTM for WP will help test your setup thoroughly to verify and make sure everything functions as expected. Be thorough. Use Google Tag Manager's preview mode. Visit your website while GTM preview is active and simulate user actions to verify that events are firing correctly and that the data is being sent to Facebook as you expect. Test and then test again. Finally, publish your changes in GTM and review your Facebook Events Manager dashboard to confirm that events are actively being received. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Capi in Google Tag Manager.